Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about what you can expect after you decide that you want to hire the firm and after we decide that we want to take your case. A lot of times this will happen pretty much simultaneously at the conclusion of your case evaluation with a member of our team. We'll agree upon the scope of representation, we'll agree upon a total fee if a payment plan is appropriate and acceptable to both sides, and then we'll move forward. We'll go over that retainer agreement, you sign it, the firm signs it, and obviously we'll get to work on your case and we'll outline who is going to do what by when. So if you move forward with our firm, whether it's right away on the same day of your case evaluation, whether it's a week later, a month later, okay, it should be very clear as to what to expect moving forward. And one of the first things we'll do is if you have a future court date coming up, we'll make sure that we're available to be there for you in court. If you do not have a future court date, we'll talk about, hey, we are now going to reach out to the detective. We're going to reach out to the district attorney's office. And this is what we're going to do. This is what you need to expect. And this is what you should expect. And you could hold us to that. We're also going to do a mitigation analysis. On every case that comes into the firm, we're going to sit down, the attorney who's handling your case and one of our assistants is going to sit down and identify what we could ask of you. What can you gather for us? What do we need to gather for you that could also be helpful down the road, not necessarily in disproving or proving guilt or innocence, but more to present the full picture of you, about who you are as an individual, about what you have going for you, about what your plans are in the future, and how a negative outcome of your criminal case could affect your plans, could affect your future, could affect your reputation, and in many instances, unfortunately, can affect your freedom. So that's pretty much the next step. So we never, ever have a client that hires our firm not know what to expect next, right? You make a decision, you're comfortable in your decision, you invest a significant amount of money to make sure that you're protecting everything that matters to you. The last thing you need is an additional source of stress. We are the release or the relief of that stress in many ways, and that starts in many instances even before you hire our firm, but certainly after we decide to work together. So we look forward to working with you on your case. If there's any questions you have at all, whether you're a current client or a former client or a potential client of the firm, we can always be reached at 619-295-3555.